Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas, beautiful cat cave house ideas. These are beautiful ideas for cat lovers. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting, variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, most demanding collection, beautiful. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different designing, different ideas, beautiful and different shapes. So cute. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Very nice. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel if you want to more collection about crochet. So please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Like and share my video. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Okay viewers. Bye bye.